Okay, so today we're going to talk about this ruler, which is the rope ruler. And you can see that it has a big rope and a small rope. And then it has these little lines for me to line the next one up so I create this border here. So I just have a sample of a border size item. Okay, so I have my ruler in place. I have my V-dog down. I have my presser foot down. I have my sewing machine set to a medium speed, but you need to do whatever you're comfortable with. And then I'm basically going to run this ruler foot against the ruler edge to create my design. Okay, so now I've done my first section of my rope. I'm going to lift up. Okay, so now you can see I've got these lines on the ruler that I'm going to line up with my last part of the rope, and then I'm going to continue sewing. Put the ruler right, those lines right onto my white stitching, and then I'm going to continue sewing. Okay, so I have my next rope row lined up, and you can see, I can still see the stitching here, but remember that my ruler foot is about 1/4 inch from where I'm actually going to be sewing. So continue on here. And here's my finished rope. Okay, so now I have the smaller rope and I've done a few. And then I'm going to just take this and I'm using the smaller lines here to line up my next piece. So I line it up on the last rope. You can see I've lined up as best I could, and then I'm going to lower my presser foot down. Leave my glove off for now. And go ahead and start stitching. And here's my finished rope.